Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for August 2020, and I got this one in the mail, this mystery mascara. I'm going to go ahead and open this one first because I'm kind of excited. So the first thing, this is what I see when I open it up. This little pamphlet. It's mystery mascara. It's your lucky day. You're one of the very first to try a totally new mascara before it even launches at Sephora on August 25th. Take it for a test drive and make your best guess on what brand this mystery mascara is. It says it's a clean mascara for instantly big fluffy lashes powered by hair care actives that help support the natural lash growth and repair cycle. It's next level clean care and volume. Less ingredients, bigger impact, pure lightweight clean formula distilled down to lash care actives like castor oil, provitamin B5, and biotinoltriptide 1. Okay, cool. And that's what it looks like in the box, which I really like the packaging. They did the most for that packaging. Here it is. It's just a pink wand. She's thick. Ooh. And she smells like Benefit. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Or Too Faced Better Than Sex. That's what it really smells like. So those are my guesses on what it is. This is what it looks like on the inside. It does have the flyer. All right, so I have variation number 9. And this month's Boxycharm base box is Boxycharm Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, and Slumber. Oh, Boxyglamping. So they just have all this stuff on it. And you know, it's $25 a month subscription box. Okay, so the first product I'm gonna pull out is this Born This Way Too Faced Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Cookie, which I think is too dark for me. It's Too Faced and I love its packaging. This is the wand. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw some on my arm. See, it's just a slight bit too dark. I mean, it might work. I can make it work on my face or whatever, but I wanted it for a concealer because I have these super dark under eyes. I just needed something to help with that, but I'm thinking that this, I'm just gonna see, put it on my cheek. Can you see that? Might work. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Should I use this for? It seems to be a little too dark for me. Okay, so the next product I have is this Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydro Glow Skin Serum instantly absorbs with all our triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time release multi-depth hydration for a full hydrated skin that glows. That Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer was $29. This is $44.95. The next thing I'm pulling out, Big Fat Liner. This Big Fat Liner, it's eyeliner by Rockins Cosmetics. It says always start your eye look with your Big Fat Liner, and you can be as bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with different shapes. And this is $25. It's a cute little packet. It's cute packaging, and that's what it looks like. It's a big chunky tip, and I'm just gonna draw my hand. So it's a nice little liner. I mean, we'll see. I do like felt tip liners, even though they dry out super fast. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is this Clarins number 2 Velvet Lip Perfector, and the color is Velvet Rosewood. So it's that Velvet Rosewood. It's a super pretty color. I like it's got the like furry tip. See? You just squeeze it and it comes out, so that's kind of nice. It feels kind of powdery, to be honest. It's like I don't even feel it on my hand. And that's what she looks like. Super pretty, actually. And this is worth $26. Then the last thing in my box, my base box, is this Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. She's pretty. I have the original one from the previous box. I don't seem to use it because, like I said, I like basic colors, but it's really pretty. She's got a nice, oops, oh, almost dropped her. It's got a decent sized mirror. Here's the colors. Super pretty. Some nice purples. We got 6 shimmers and 4 mattes. Go ahead and swatch this blue. This blue. Let's do it again because that first swatch just wasn't my favorite. Then again, I never really use blues because I'm always afraid. These purples and pinkish purples, they're super pretty though. I don't know if you could see all those swatches, but they're super pretty. I'm just always afraid of colors. I usually stick to neutrals, so I'm gonna try to get better at that. That's all I got in my box this month. And the value of this box is, hold on, let me do some math. This is $106.95 this month. And so I only paid $25. That's really good. And I got a whole bunch of new products that I probably would have never bought. Like, I definitely would have never bought this because I would not spend $26. Typically, I wouldn't spend $26 on a lipstick. Like, that seems a little absurd when there's a whole bunch of alternatives you can buy for a decent price. I definitely wouldn't have spent $25 for this liner. You know, I do love my little felt tip liners, but there's no way I would have naturally spent that much. Now, this palette is $36. That's crazy. And this, like, you know, I like to stick to my budgets, so it's kind of expensive, but this, I wish it was my color, a better color match, or a little bit lighter so I could make it work, but it's really dark. Like, this is darker than me, which is sad because this was my choice item, and this is not the color I chose, but when I got my confirmation, it was a different color. Maybe they ran out when I was choosing or something. I don't know, because it was I think, if I'm not mistaken, there was an issue during choice. But that's what I got in my box. Leave a comment and let me know what you got in your box and what your favorite products were. And I did get variation number 9. I'm happy I got this card because last in my premium I didn't get a card, and that was like the first time that happened. But I enjoy this box, and I'm really happy to have gotten this random mascara too, which is kind of cool to get to try out. It smelled like Benefit or Too Faced Better Than Sex, and she's super thick. Let me see. Yeah, she's really thick. I'm gonna try it on soon and let you guys know what I think. I might use it in a makeup video. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to put it on because my eyes are sensitive. Everything else is fine, but we shall see. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and even comment down below and let me know what your favorite product was. I appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye.